In this edition of the Global Ops Report, we delve into several critical economic trends and their potential impacts on global operations. From concerns about a looming consumer crisis to shifts in the property development and shipping sectors, we explore the intricacies of the current financial landscape. Our journey begins with a stark warning from Goldman Sachs, a financial giant with its finger on the pulse of global economics. Recent reports suggest that potential emergence of a consumer crisis, just as the holiday season approaches, is on the way. The implications are profound, as consumer spending is a cornerstone of economic health. As we navigate further, we come across woes from Country Garden, one of the world's largest property developers. The company's financial struggles raise questions about the stability of the real estate market. These challenges mirror concerns about Chinese consumers' decreasing interest in buying homes, a trend that could have ripple effects. Our next stop takes us to small businesses in the United States. These enterprises are grappling with difficulties accessing capital, as some banks express apprehension about the viability of business plans in an environment of rising interest rates. The health of small businesses often reflects the broader economic landscape. As we journey onward, we confront the issue of a global dollar shortage, notably in China. The shortage originated from difficulties in obtaining US dollars, has potential repercussions on international trade and financial stability. These challenges underscore the intricate connections within the global economy. A significant element in our journey is the role of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy, particularly changes in interest rates. Rising interest rates often leads consumers to prioritize saving over spending, a phenomenon closely monitored by central banks. Our next destination explores the connection between consumer spending and access to credit. Consumers have been relying on credit, such as credit cards, to sustain their spending. The sustainability of this credit-dependent spending is under scrutiny, especially when consumers approach their credit limits. Turning our attention to the global shipping industry, we encounter concerns raised by Goldman Sachs about a potential downturn. Oversupply and weak demand are key drivers of this anticipated downturn, highlighting the fragility of this vital sector. Despite the potential challenges on the horizon, recent retail sales data indicates that consumers are still actively spending. Retail purchases have increased, providing a glimmer of hope in uncertain times. Our final destination unveils the promising Ferguson Lake Project, a major endeavor by Canadian North Resources. This project boasts sustainable resources, including copper, nickel, cobalt, palladium, and platinum. These critical metals are highly sought after, particularly in the context of green technologies and electric vehicles. In the ever-evolving landscape of global operations, these insights into economic trends serve as navigational guides, helping stakeholders steer through complexities of today's world.